Now, with a month left to Punjab polls, the Congress has released its first list of candidates. Out of 117 constituencies, the top brass has decided on candidates for 86 seats, which includes 9 women candidates. Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi will contest from Chumkaur Sahib seat, while Punjab Congress Chief Navjot Singh Sidhu has been fielded from Amritsar East. Recent Congress joinee and actor Sonu Sood's sister Malvika Sood will fight from Moga, while popular singer turned Neta Sidhu Moosewala will contest from Mansa. Seat allotment to the new joinees has sparked rebellion within the Punjab Congress as Moga's sitting party MLA Harjot Kamal has quit the Congress and joined the BJP. He is likely to get a BJP ticket from Moga. Mansa sitting Congress MLA Nazar Singh too has raised the banner of revolt and has opposed ticket allotment to Moosewala.
जो लिस्ट उन्होंने जारी करी सोच समझ के करी होगी, लेकिन फैसला तो पब्लिक करेगी। पंजाब के लोग करनगे 14 तरीक ਨੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਪਾਉਣਗੇ 10 ਨੂੰ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਆਏਗਾ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦਾ ਅਸ਼ਰ ਹੈ।
ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੀ ਅਸਲੀ ਸੋਚ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਟਿਕਟਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਉਹ ਸਕਰੀਨਿੰਗ ਕਮੇਟੀ 'ਚ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੀਡਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਪੀਪੀਸੀਸੀ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਮੁੱਖ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਕਈ ਲੀਡਰ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਨ। ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੋਚ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ, ਲੋਕ ਕੀ ਆਸ ਰੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ 5 ਸਾਲ 'ਚ ਇਹ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਫ਼ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ और लोगों ने वैसे ही मैं समझदा कांग्रेस की छुट्टी करने का मन बना लिया।
कांग्रेस हाईकमान का और मैं महसूस करता हूं कि कांग्रेस पार्टी की जो 86 उम्मीदवारों की लिस्ट जारी हुई है उसमें से सबके सब जीतने वाले उम्मीदवार हैं और आज दूसरी पार्टियों में जिस तरह से बिखराव पैदा हुआ है, जिस तरीके से इधर के उधर लोग आते जाते रहते हैं, लेकिन मैं महसूस करता हूं एक तरफ 5, 6, 7 गुटों में सारा ओपोजिशन बांटा गया है और कांग्रेस पार्टी संगठित है। कांग्रेस पार्टी कंफर्ट मार्जिन से 2022 में दोबारा सरकार बनाएगी।
Right, so the Congress there releasing its first list of candidates for the Punjab elections, and already there are some congressmen who are raising the banner of revolt and rebellion because they have not been given tickets, and new joinees have been given tickets. For instance, actor Sonu Sood's sister Malvika Sood, who recently joined the Congress party, has been given a ticket from Moga. And then there is singer turned politician Sidhu Moosewala, who has again been given a ticket by the Congress party. So there is some amount of rebellion that these new inductees are being given tickets by the Congress party. It remains to be seen what the second list of the Congress in fact throws up. My colleague Lalit Sharma is joining me live from Chandigarh on this. Lalit, we are already hearing voices of revolt from within the Congress party after new inductees into the Congress party have been given tickets in these elections.
Definitely, Paulmi. If we just talk about today, Congress have announced the names of 86 candidates for the upcoming Vidhan Sabha elections. And if we talk about especially Punjab, so 2 main leaders of Congress, Harjot Kamal from Moga has left Congress and he has joined just the BJP here in Chandigarh. And if you talk about another, Nazar Singh Mansaiya from Mansa has also not been given the ticket. He has also openly revolted against Congress. But other than that, if we talk about majority of the former cabinet ministers who have been dropped from the Captain Amrinder Singh's government have been given the ticket. So somehow strategically Congress have retained the flock of the MLAs, sitting former MLAs. And if we talk about those MLAs, which included Sadhu Singh Dharmsot from Nabha SC constituency, then it's from Rampur Phul, Gurpreet Singh Kangar has been retained, then from Hoshiarpur, Shyam Sundar Arora, former industry minister, has been retained. And other than that, from Mohali, Balbir Singh Sidhu has been retained, who has been a former health minister. And Paulmi, other than that, if we talk about this time, out of the 86 candidate list which has been out, 9 women candidates have also been given the tickets. If we talk about the 9 candidates who have been given the ticket, it included from Dinanagar, Aruna Chaudhary, the cabinet minister, from Mukeria, Indu Bala, from Moga, Malvika Sood, the sister of actor Sonu Sood, then from Malot, Rubinder Ruby. If we talk about Rubinder Ruby, Polmi, so she has recently left Aam Aadmi Party and has joined Congress. So she has been given the ticket from Malot SC constituency. And if we talk about Bulana, from there Rajinder Kaur has been given the ticket. From Budlada, Ranveer Kaur has
Right.
been given the ticket. From Lehra Gaga.
So 9
former,
women candidates have been given tickets by the Congress party in their first list for the Punjab elections, but already voices of dissent emerging from the Congress rank and file over new inductees being given precedence over old sitting MLAs. Lalit, thank you so much for joining us.